This video is sponsored by Lumberjack Tools. Go to www.lumberjacktools.co.uk and use code MAT0005 DIY at checkout to get 5% off. Welcome back, guys, to vlog 2, Matt's DIY. I'm really sorry for construction noise, but that's just going on. But yeah, this is the first bit of the shed. Absolutely huge foundation, like base bit. They're like these little, let me get in and show you. So they're like these little metal aluminium, I assume, poles, and they go down to like a little post foundation just down in the floor, and then on top of that it's this base that's going to be screwed into it. I think it's loose at the moment, so I won't stand on it. Let me just check. Yeah, at the moment it's loose. So, but yeah, it's absolutely huge. It's much bigger than I thought it would be, which is very nice. There's going to be a little toilet in this section here. Let me see if I can go around and show you this way. So that's the sort of space we're looking at right now. So the toilet will be from about here to about here, like that, and the rest of it will just all be shed space. So yeah, really happy with the progress. Just got this was what was under the original shed. It's like these eggshell type things with the air, and it just supports the base. Got all our timber over there. It will look like that, actually. I meant to show everyone that it would look like that sort of on the outside, sort of that modern, everyone likes that sort of design now. But yeah, so hopefully we'll start getting some boards down on that, and some walls will go up soon. So that should be the next clip. Should start moving quickly now. I've had to cover up my hair because lockdown hair. But yeah, so hopefully things start moving a bit quick and it can get exciting. Hopefully this isn't the only clip in this vlog. We had some really bad snow, which obviously offset everything. But yeah, so hopefully in the next clip you'll see some walls and maybe even a roof. Just another quick update clip. Let me show you. So I was hoping to get all this black like plastic off, but they've screwed it down. So, but it just sort of gives you an idea of the size now that there's flooring on it. Let me widen that out a bit. So much bigger than the original. Really happy with the size, actually. It's just going to get so much more space, which means more tools, obviously. But yeah, so hopefully next week the walls will start going up. I've got to make sort of a little floor plan to sort out where the plugs are going. So I think I'm actually going to include maybe that in this vlog, and I'll just show you what I did. I think I'm going to do it on SketchUp, and then I can just work out where all the workbenches are going to go. So hopefully the next clip will be us putting some walls up. Well, not me, but some walls will be up, and maybe even boarded out. So just a quick update. We've been rained off for the day. The builders had to go because obviously can't work in the wet, but I just wanted to show that the walls are up. If I just come down here, scoot back this way, that's the progress that's been made. So, you know, not a massive amount, but it's good enough, you know. Get the walls up a little bit, and it just sort of shows the scale. And then I can I've got to plan out the plugs are going to go, and where I want like benches and things. So yeah, really happy. Got 3 walls up, and then the big front wall will go up tomorrow, I believe, and then start paneling the outside, and it'll become a bit more like a room, and I can start doing a bit more planning. So yeah, just a really quick update. Not much on the last update, but still progress is being made. Unfortunately it's a bit windy, so I'm sorry about that, but the front door bit has come on, like the front wall, and we've got some ceiling joists up there. They're just sitting up there now, they're not actually in place. But this door here is going to be the toilet, and then this door will be my workshop door. So it will come in like this, and there'll be a sort of partition wall going across there, but I'll still have a little bit down here as well. So sort of the same, it's a little bit bigger, it's just a bit of a different shape. So I'm hoping to have sort of my table saw area over here. I'll probably have my bandsaw and stuff over the back there, and I'm hoping to have sort of a miter saw station somewhere here. And then I'll have an outfeed table on my table saw that'll basically work as sort of a workbench as well. And then the main thing is the height. So I can't even, I'm actually quite a bit shorter than most people, but I can't touch the ceiling, so just the height will such a big difference. If you look there, I've got a lot more room. Obviously the ceiling's going to be there, but still I'll be able to hang some things, get some clamps on the wall, and hopefully get stuff off the floor. So yeah, really happy with the progress. Yeah, they're just going to crack on, get the walls up, board it up, and hopefully that'll be the next clip. Welcome back, guys. As you can see, we have walls. No roof yet, but we do have walls. I'm going to keep this short because this is going to be the last clip for this vlog. I haven't uploaded in a while, so I really want to get this up. So this will be the last clip, but the next vlog will lead on from what comes next, so I assume it'd be the roof. So I just wanted to say like and subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and lastly, still sponsored by Lumberjack Tools, link up the top, code down the bottom, 5% off their entire store till the 1st of March. Thanks for watching.